In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to your Shopify site. Whether you're preparing for a big launch or simply want to pause access temporarily, password protecting your site can be a critical tool in managing your online store. Let's guide you through this straightforward process. We'll start at your Shopify admin dashboard. Take a look at the left side of your screen, where you will see a panel with various options. From this panel, click on Online Store. This will open up a drop-down menu where multiple options will be displayed. What you want to do next is select Preferences. The Preferences page contains a variety of settings that allow you to control the visibility and functionality of your store, and it's here where we can manage password protection. Now that you're on the Preferences page, scroll down a bit to find the section dedicated to password protection. There's a clearly labeled button here that lets you enable password protection for your store. By selecting this option, you're effectively putting a virtual lock on your storefront. Once you enable this, you'll notice that a few additional fields appear. These fields allow you to create a password and craft a custom message to your visitors. First, in the password text box, input a password of your choosing. This will be the key that grants access to your store going forward. Make sure it's secure, but also something you can easily remember. It's a good idea to use a strong combination of numbers, letters, and symbols to enhance security. Next, focus on the message. The message box provides you with an opportunity to communicate directly with your visitors who land on your password page. Here, you might want to include important information such as when your store will reopen or why it's currently locked. This is a chance to set expectations, so take a moment to think about what you'd like to convey. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully secured your Shopify store with a password. This process effectively restricts access, ensuring that only those with the password can browse your online shop. It's an excellent strategy for maintaining control over who can see your store, particularly if you're undergoing updates or gearing up for a launch. Remember, you can always head back to the Preferences section to disable the password protection whenever you're ready to open your store back up to the public. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. By following these easy steps, you ensure your Shopify store is effectively managed and secure. Thank you for joining us today, and make sure to check out other videos for more tips and tricks on enhancing your e-commerce experience.